people who go to counselor are always the victims, and people because of whom the person comes to or goes to a counselor or healer, they are always guilty. Hi, I'm Vishakha, counselor, healer, and a life coach. Today, in this world, because of manipulation and subtle art of manipulation, people really have been losing their self-worth, and this self-worth is costing them their life, their mental peace. When you are in relationship and you feel that you are always giving and still you are not enough, understand, it is time to step back. It is not you. Because when there are two people involved, both of them are equally responsible for the health of that relationship, for the existence of that relationship. It cannot be always one person is giving, another person is receiving, and both are never exchanging their roles. The relationship would not sustain. And second most important thing, when you are in relationship, you should have your time of discussion with your person where you both sit without any agenda and without any manipulative instincts, and a very clear vision to take the relationship ahead and talk about it, express your feelings and mention what you like, what you don't like. Only then, if the communication, the words are being used wisely and with right intention, only then the communication and the relationship can evolve. Today, I'm going to help you with an EFT practice which will help you to get back your self-worth, to understand the situation, and to get ready again to give and receive in the relationship and make your relationship better. One more important thing I missed here to tell you, that even if it is relationship or any relatives around or friends or in corporate world, wherever you go, the most important thing, one more thing, is setting boundaries. If you let other people come inside your personal space and let them impact your mental health, no one can save you. It is firstly your duty to protect yourself, to protect your peace, to protect your boundaries. Hence, you have to prepare yourself first to evolve and to have mental peace with you in any relationship of your life. So let us start the EFT practice, where I'm going to say a few words while I tap, and we are going to work on our mental peace to get back with our own worth and make our lives beautiful. Let's start it. Let's start together. Repeat after me and tap with me. Even though right now in my relationship I feel miserable, I feel that me and my partner are losing out on all the good things we had. I feel worthless. I feel that I have been contributing so much in my relationship, still we are falling apart. I still choose to love, accept and forgive myself. This entire journey of relationship was like a roller coaster till date. This roller coaster, this relationship, these ups and downs in the relationship always felt difficult. These were always challenging. I have dealt with a lot of courage to all these relationship issues. We have had our good times as well. But in recent past, we both are falling apart. And I absolutely don't know the reason. Even though I have been always giving in this relationship, I have been always serving my best, still I don't know why this relationship is falling apart. This is very disappointing. I'm not feeling good about myself. After giving so much of efforts, after putting so much of efforts, listening to my partner, doing what he or she says, doing exactly what they want, still I'm losing out on this beautiful relationship. I don't know why. Sometimes I feel the other person never contributes. I always give and other person receives it, but I never get anything from the other person. No investment in relationship. I always feel that I give. Only I give in the relationship. I work hard, but the other person does not care. I don't know why this is happening, but I know one thing for sure. I want to make it right. So here, what you are doing, you are trying to create a base for yourself, telling yourself the truth, that why the relationship seems hard, why the relationship is so challenging. And you are also telling yourself that you have given a lot, now it is time to receive. So moving towards next round of EFT tapping, let us try to put forth a point where we create a hope for yourself, and we tell ourselves that even though the relationship is not working till date, but now that I have realized about it, I'm going to talk to my partner and create a space where we can work together both to make this relationship again beautiful in life. So let's do the another round of EFT. Remember guys, while you are doing these rounds, you have to repeat it multiple times. So if you feel that you are not relaxed, your body is not relaxed even after tapping, rewind the video and do it again with me. Okay, so let us do the round 2. I know I have been giving a lot in this relationship. The entire mental load of our house, our relationship, maintaining the relationship, people connected, all my in-laws, my friends and families, entire mental load, only I have been taking on my shoulders. And this has raised expectations in my brain about my person. I have never spoken about it. I never told my partner that what I expect from him in this relationship. And now that I feel overburdened about it, now I feel that why he does not understand. But then one thing I realize now, that everyone is not same. Maybe I was expecting that the other person, my partner, would understand. But now since he's not able to understand, now I have to tell him in words. I know telling in words how much it would be possible for me, but that is the only way to use right words, right emotions to express that how do I feel, how miserable I feel, how overloaded I feel, how overwhelmed I feel. I feel I am the only person who is contributing. I think this is the high time. I should speak with my person. I should tell him how I feel. I should tell him what I expect in this relationship from him. Unless I'm telling him in words, I know because of a lot of experience staying with him, I know he would not be able to understand unless I express in words. So it is high time now that I tell him, set boundaries, that wherever I feel that this relationship should help, move ahead with the right attitude from both of us. So moving ahead, I'm going to create a space for ourselves, for both of us, every day, 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to put that effort. I'm going to sit with my partner and I'm going to talk about how I feel, how was my day. I'm going to ask my person how was his day. I'm going to understand moving ahead that what are his challenges. I know he has not been speaking a lot, but that doesn't mean the other person is emotionless. Maybe we have not created together the space where we can speak freely. Hence, this wall has been created between us. I know we have had a beautiful past where we did spend a very good time talking, laughing, cracking jokes, spending weekend time, going to movies, creating fun, small housewarming parties, and different things we have been doing. We used to read books, we used to talk a lot on different topics, but I have lost everything now. I feel that the communication we have stopped doing is the key to open this beautiful door. And moving ahead, I'm going to talk to my person, my partner, and we are going to create that safe space for both of us where we can vent out, where we can express openly without any judgments and release. After this round, you will really realize and understand that how both of you have been taking this relationship for granted. Every person is different. Sometimes we feel so overwhelmed and we feel that we are lacking behind to express. We feel that why doesn't another person understand? I have been working so much. Why the other person can't see? But believe me guys, every person has their own traumas. Every person has their own focus areas. Some people can see, some people cannot see. Doesn't mean the other person is ruthless, right? So talk to your partner, talk to your person, sit with them. At least give it a try, I say. You know, when we were children, we used to go to school. Our teacher used to teach us A for apple, B for ball. And I remember that how much time we took to just understand A to Z. We literally wrote A to Z every letter multiple times to 2 to 3 years continuously, consecutively. If to understand A to Z, we take 2 to 3 years, then to set the boundaries, to let the other person adjust and accommodate according to your expectations, and you adjusting and accommodating according to the other person's expectations, you have to give some time. There would be frictions. Doesn't mean that it would not work, right? So take the leap of faith, talk to your person, bring that beautiful 15 minutes every day in your life, and let us focus on the round 3, where we create that beautiful space through tapping for every relationship to groom and bloom in a beautiful way like a lotus. Let's do round 3 together. Now that I have realized that I'm going to spend time with my person, take out those beautiful 15 minutes every day, hold hands, hug my person for at least 20 seconds, give bye-bye kisses throughout the day, while leaving, while coming back home, asking my person how was the day, telling my person that I have gone through a lot throughout the day. Can you please come and take the responsibility? I'm not saying help here, okay? Can you please come in the kitchen and take the responsibility of dishes? Can you please take the responsibility of cutting vegetables? Can you please take the responsibility of cleaning the kitchen? I have all the right to ask my person. He is very kind. I feel emotional right now. Our relationship was good. I don't know what lost in it, but I know now for sure that communication and right words and asking for what I want will definitely help. Just keeping expectations in my brain and let happening it not way it should happen, I am creating disappointment for myself itself. I'm not letting the other person give the chance. I'm not forgiving myself. I'm not forgiving my person. What am I doing? I just have to use right words. I just have to talk to my person, give some time. I need to spend some good time with my person, quality time, where we are not speaking anything but just holding hand. We are just creating that moment for each other. We are just touching our foreheads to each other and creating that beautiful safe space where I can feel the breath of my person. And I have the assurity that my person is with me always. And that assurity brings that security in my life with my person. And I know the moment we spend this time together every day, putting small efforts in our relationship, we are going to come back with a new, fresh, and rejuvenated energy. This is going to bring back my beautiful relationship. And I'm so happy and I feel so grateful right now that I always had the key towards this relationship, but I never looked at it in this manner. And now that I know that I have the key, I feel so beautiful. I know that me and my person together can again create this beautiful relationship back to normal, the way we used to enjoy our lives, the way we used to laugh, the way we used to cook, the way we used to roam around, go out for long drives, go out with friends and families, spend beautiful time near beaches, rivers. I so love that time. I know that time is going to come back in my life with just small efforts, right words in place, right expression of emotions, and I'm going to get my life back. I feel so grateful. And release. While you tap, you get release of all the negativity from your body. And when your body is at ease, your brain starts functioning appropriately and your body comes in rhythm. Believe me, guys, whenever you feel a little overwhelmed or you feel anxious or you feel left out, low worth, absolutely anxious, just do the tapping. Don't say anything. In fact, just use the stopwatch and just do the tapping for the points on the meridian points, eyes closed, and do the tapping for 10 minutes. You will feel fantastic. I guarantee you. You just take the leap of faith and just use the stop clock and set it for 10 minutes timer and do tapping. Believe me, guys, you will see magic happening in your body, in your mindset, and in your overall emotional well-being. Save this, do try this, share with all your loved ones, friends and families who feel that their relationship should grow, evolve, and they should be living a beautiful life. Please share this with them. This will definitely help them. I hope this helps. Take care, everyone, and happy healing to all.